Hello, I'm Olivier Denoo. I'm the president of the ISTQB. This year, I'm very excited and enthused to join SEETEST 2021 in Belgrade. If you happen to come on the tutorial day, we might see each other around exploratory testing in a context of a business environment, business requirements and business needs. My tutorial is called BD is Dead. It will show you how you can combine a better exploratory testing together with the user experience and the user needs. Very practical, couple of exercises. It will be a lot of fun and very excited tutorial. The day after, I will open the conference with a keynote around the ISTQB. All you wanted to know about us but never dared to ask. How we work, how is the organization working together, what are the work groups, what are the syllabi, what's in the pipeline today. And a bunch of very open questions, no taboo, no nothing, again, very much fun. So I hope to see you there and meet you, and again, talk in person or in hybrid format in Belgrade.